Today, I'll show you how to clear a Microsoft to-do list in the simplest way possible. If you've been using Microsoft To Do for a while, you might end up with lists you no longer need, or maybe you just want to tidy things up and start fresh. In this walkthrough, we'll go over exactly how to delete an entire list, along with a few tips to make sure you're removing the right thing and not accidentally losing tasks you still care about. First, open Microsoft To Do on your computer. You can do this either through the desktop app or in your web browser, depending on how you normally use it. Once it's open, take a look at the left-hand side of the screen. This is your sidebar where all your lists are displayed. You might see things like tasks, important, or custom lists you've created for work, personal projects, or anything else. Find the specific list you want to clear. Take a moment here to double check that this is really the one you want to remove. Deleting a list is a strong action, and it's worth confirming that you don't still need the tasks inside it. If there are any tasks you want to keep, consider moving them to another list first by opening the list and dragging or reassigning those tasks elsewhere. Once you're sure about the list you want to clear, hover your mouse over that list name in the left sidebar. Now right-click on the list name. This will open a small context menu with several options related to that list. In the menu that appears, look for the option labeled Delete List. Go ahead and select Delete List. When you click this, Microsoft To Do may ask you to confirm that you really want to delete it, especially if there are tasks inside. This confirmation step is there to help prevent accidental deletions, so read it carefully before you proceed. After you confirm, the list will be removed from the sidebar along with all the tasks that were inside it. That's it. You've successfully cleared that Microsoft To Do list by deleting it. A few quick tips before we wrap up. If you don't see the option to delete a particular list, it might be one of the default system lists like the main tasks list, which Microsoft To Do sometimes protects from deletion. In that case, instead of deleting the list, you can simply complete or remove individual tasks inside it to clear it out. Also, remember that deleting a list is different from just marking tasks as completed. When you delete the list, you remove the container and everything in it. If you only want to empty the list but keep using it in the future, you might prefer to open the list and manually remove or complete each task instead, leaving the list itself in place. To recap, all you need to do is open Microsoft To Do, locate the list you want to clear in the left sidebar, right-click its name, and select Delete List, then confirm. Once that's done, your workspace will be a bit cleaner and more focused on the lists that really matter to you.